to be installing the OEM extinguishers. So the fire extinguisher for the M4 GTS. So this is all OEM. Got it straight from OEM extinguishers. This is like one of the last few in the world to be installed, and yeah, well, in my possession as well, because they are discontinued. So yeah, long story short, you can see we got the OEM bolts there, the brackets, the clamp, and the extinguisher. Like again, another huge shout out to them for working with me and also helping me make this all possible. And yeah, so yeah, a little thing on the extinguisher. There are two kits. So you have the OEM, so straight from BMW. There's your the ID number for it, and you have the rep one, which I think is RKP. So the main difference between the two, and I'll show you guys right now, is that one says BMW, and BMW is basically written all over the brackets and all over the place, where the rep one, it's not really, there's no BMW markings. I personally wanted the OEM one just for my car because, you know, everything's OEM plus, and I think that having the original piece in the car is 100% worth it. So yeah, enough rambling. Let's get this installed and I'll catch you guys in the car. Guys, so now we're in the car. So you can see that the BMW M4 GTS already has these holes already in the carpeting. So the thing is, the North American models did not get the fire extinguisher because it wasn't regulated in that sense. So that's why we don't get the carbon fiber buckets, the Recaros, and the fire extinguisher with the harness bolts and everything. We don't get that over here, but we can get it installed. So first thing you're gonna do, pop these out. So we're just gonna take a trim tool, line it up underneath. We can get under there. Hold on, let me in. There we go. Pop that out. So the little rubber grommets. Probably can do this with my hand too. Yeah, there we go. So those are out. You can already see bolt holes are already there. So let's go get that bracket and put that in. Right, so here's the bracket. Like I said, the holes, the bolts all line up perfectly. So we're just gonna make sure it's nice and centered up, you know, nice and perfect before my OCD kicks in. And yeah, so bolts just go straight in. This is the right orientation for your OEM fire extinguisher, just so you know, because a lot of people have it flipped the wrong way. So this is the right and proper way to have it set up. All right, so let's make sure this is all aligned, all nicely put in, and we're just gonna put my hand through the cage, put our trusty little Allen key in, and screw it down. So it doesn't have to be too tight. Remember, holes are already there. You're just gonna make it snug. And let's just make sure. Very good. And again, just tighten it down. So it's a very straightforward process, I would say. Like, difficulty isn't that hard. It's not invasive in any shape, way, or form. Because, like I said, the car was meant to have this from factory anyways. So, very straightforward, easy install. Let's just make sure everything is snug down. And then I'll just give it one ugga dugga, you know what I mean? Like we're turking it. Boop. Boop. And boop. All right, so now that is all nice and snug, not going nowhere. Next, we're gonna install the shielding and the straps. So let me get that all situated because it's hard to do that with one hand. So let me get that all situated first. Okay, so it is in. So like I said, this is the correct orientation for your fire extinguisher. Definitely doing this part here was definitely the hardest part of the whole thing. But yeah, it looks pretty sick in there already. So let's grab that fire extinguisher and put it in. Okay, so here's the fire extinguisher. Really nice. You can see the press too, very high quality, and it is working, in fact. So I believe this was good for 20 years, I believe he said to me. So about 20 years, and then you can like replace it. But periodically, every 2 years or something like that, you check to make sure it's still in the green. So yeah, really excited to put this in the car. So let's go put that in right now. Here it is, fully installed. The M4 GTS OEM bracket, straps, everything, fire extinguisher, all up in the car. And let's say it looks amazing. Honestly, completes the interior. Next, we just gotta do those bucket seats or some sort of bucket seats in there. But yeah, now the interior is pretty much complete. Huge shout out to OEM extinguishers. Actually, hold on, let's give them a better shout out. Hold on. There we go, the better shout out. So big shout out. Oh my god, my hand is shaking. But big shout out to OEM extinguishers. You can see car looks beautiful with it. So thankful. Thank you guys for supporting and also being a sponsor for the car. So I really appreciate it. If you guys need any OEM extinguishers for your car, you know, any maker model, I'm pretty sure they make a fire extinguisher kit for you. All right, so definitely go check them out. I'll leave their link in the description. And yeah, take it easy. Peace.